Welcome to AssistEdge RPA how-to video series. In this video, we will learn how to use a Microbot. In AssistEdge RPA, a Microbot is the reusable piece of custom code used to perform automation. It is used in scenarios when a user wants to perform tasks for which there are not any activities available in the automation studio. Creating and using a Microbot involves 3 steps. Developing the code of a Microbot in Visual Studio and generating the DLL file. Creating the Microbot in Automation Studio using the DLL file. And using the Microbot in a process by adding the Microbot activity. In this video, we will understand the third step of the Microbot process that includes adding a Microbot activity in an automation process and executing the created Microbot. Let's understand how to use the Create Folder Microbot in an automation process in Automation Studio. To understand how to develop and create this Microbot, watch Developing a Microbot and Creating a Microbot videos. Let's look at the steps of using a Microbot in detail. Drag and drop the Microbot activity on the process canvas. Click Select Microbot and select the Create Folder Microbot from the list. The Create Folder Microbot accepts the drive name along with the folder name in string format as an input and returns the output message in string format. Create 2 arguments to send and receive the input and output from this Microbot. Name the first argument as folder name, direction is equal to in, and argument type is equal to string. Provide the default value of the argument with the folder path and folder name of the folder to be created. This argument will be sent as an input to the Microbot. Create another argument with name is equal to result, direction is equal to out, and argument type is equal to string. This argument will store the output returned by the Microbot. Click the settings icon to map the input and output parameters of the Microbot with the ones defined in the process. For configuring input parameter, click on Map to Parent dropdown and map the folder name argument with the folder name with path argument of the Microbot. In case you want to send a default value as an input, you can check if default and provide the default value. Similarly, to set the output parameters, click Settings and select Output Parameter. Map the result argument with the message argument of the Microbot. Click Confirm. This configures the Microbot activity to use the code defined in the folder creation microbot.dll. Let's add a write line activity to print the result returned by the Microbot. Run the process. As we have verified, upon execution of the process, the Microbot has performed an automation to create a folder on the file system. That's all from this how-to video. Catch up with the other videos to know more about AssistEdge RPA. Thank you.